Aging doesn't start with wrinkles. It starts inside your cells. And one common food mistake is silently accelerating it every single day. Inside your body, DNA repair slows. Inflammation rises. Antioxidant defenses weaken. But nutrition science shows certain seeds and nuts can slow this process at a cellular level. Today, I'll break down 5 seeds and nuts scientifically proven to support healthy aging, from skin and hormones to brain and DNA protection. This is not wellness hype. This is evidence-based nutrition. And if you're over 30, these nutrients influence how fast your skin ages, how sharp your brain stays, and how resilient your body remains over time. Let's start with the foundation. Why seeds and nuts matter for aging. Aging is not caused by one factor. It's driven by oxidative stress, mitochondrial decline, chronic low-grade inflammation, hormonal imbalance. Seeds and nuts target all 4. They deliver essential fats your cells cannot produce, minerals required for enzyme repair, antioxidants that neutralize free radicals, and plant compounds missing from modern diets. When consumed correctly, they protect cells, slow degeneration, and support repair. But preparation matters, quantity matters, and timing matters. Let's break them down, starting with the most overlooked anti-aging seed. Flax seeds, hormone balance and cellular defense. Most people consume flax seeds incorrectly. That's the first mistake. Flax seeds are one of the richest natural sources of lignans, powerful polyphenols shown to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation at the cellular level. These lignans help neutralize free radicals that damage collagen, blood vessels, and DNA. Flax seeds are also high in alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 fat that supports membrane flexibility and inflammatory balance. This directly affects skin elasticity, vascular health, and cellular signaling. But flax's most underrated benefit is hormonal regulation. Lignans help modulate estrogen metabolism. This becomes critical during midlife when hormonal imbalance accelerates aging in both men and women. Balanced hormones support skin thickness, bone density, fat distribution, and cellular repair rates. Here's the catch. Whole flax seeds pass through the digestive system undigested. You absorb almost nothing. To unlock their anti-aging power, flax seeds must be freshly ground. Ground flax also provides soluble fiber that stabilizes blood sugar, another hidden aging accelerator. Consume 1 tablespoon daily, freshly ground. Add water or yogurt, never dry. Always hydrate properly to avoid bloating. The next seed doesn't just protect cells, it directly influences hydration, gut aging, and skin smoothness. Chia seeds, hydration, gut longevity, and skin aging. Dehydration is one of the fastest ways to age skin internally. Chia seeds address this at the cellular level. When soaked, chia seeds form a gel rich in soluble fiber, omega-3 fats, antioxidants, calcium, and magnesium. This gel slows digestion, improves nutrient absorption, and supports hydration from within. Hydrated cells maintain elasticity. Dry cells wrinkle faster. Chia seeds also nourish the gut microbiome, which directly controls inflammation, immune aging, and even gene expression. A healthy gut produces short-chain fatty acids that protect DNA and mitochondria. This is why gut health strongly predicts biological age. Chia seeds also support bone density, muscle preservation, and stable energy levels, all critical as we age. But here's the major mistake. Dry chia seeds expand rapidly. Consumed dry, they can cause discomfort or blockage. Always soak them. Use 1 tablespoon soaked in water for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Consume once daily. This simple habit improves digestion, skin texture, and systemic inflammation over time. Pumpkin seeds, DNA repair, and skin regeneration. Every time your DNA replicates, errors occur. Repair enzymes fix them. Pumpkin seeds supply the mineral that powers those enzymes, zinc. Zinc is essential for DNA repair, immune surveillance, collagen synthesis, and skin healing. Low zinc levels are linked to premature wrinkles, hair thinning, slow wound healing, and immune decline. Pumpkin seeds are one of the best plant sources of bioavailable zinc. They also provide magnesium, which supports mitochondrial energy production, another aging bottleneck. In men, pumpkin seeds support prostate health and metabolic stability. In women, they support skin regeneration and immune resilience. But raw pumpkin seeds contain enzyme inhibitors. Soaking matters. Soak them 6 to 8 hours, then lightly dry. Consume 20 to 25 grams daily, no more. Excess zinc can disrupt mineral balance. Prepared correctly, pumpkin seeds support skin renewal from the inside out. Walnuts, brain and vascular aging protection. Your brain is the most energy-demanding organ you have. As we age, blood flow and antioxidant defenses decline. Walnuts directly counter this. They are uniquely rich in omega-3 fatty acids and polyphenols that reduce oxidative stress in brain tissue. Studies link regular walnut intake to improved cognitive aging, memory retention, and slower neurodegeneration. Walnuts also support vascular health. Healthy blood vessels mean better oxygen delivery to the brain, skin, and muscles. Chronic inflammation damages vessels over time. Walnuts lower inflammatory markers that drive this process. But digestion matters again. Walnuts contain phytates that reduce mineral absorption. Soak them overnight. Consume 2 to 4 soaked halves daily. No more is better. This small dose supports brain clarity, circulation, and long-term cognitive resilience. Almonds, skin aging, and muscle preservation. Vitamin E is one of the most studied antioxidants in aging research. Almonds are one of its richest natural sources. Vitamin E protects cell membranes from oxidative damage caused by UV exposure, pollution, and metabolic stress. This directly influences skin smoothness, elasticity, and barrier function. Almonds also provide protein and healthy fats that help preserve lean muscle mass, which naturally declines with age. Muscle loss accelerates metabolic aging. Preserving muscle preserves longevity. But preparation is critical. Almond skins contain tannins that block absorption. Soak almonds overnight. Remove the skin. Consume 5 to 6 almonds daily. No more is better. Raw, soaked almonds support skin glow, muscle integrity, and metabolic stability. Aging is not sudden, it's cumulative. Every day your cells respond to what you feed them. Seeds and nuts deliver micronutrients that protect DNA, reduce inflammation, support hormones, and preserve structure. When consumed in the right form and quantity, they slow biological aging from the inside out. If this science-backed breakdown helped you, subscribe for more evidence-based holistic health content.